Disobedient. Another sign of hypocrisy is that a person dislikes the choices of Allah, the Exalted, and the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, even though they have been commanded to submit to them. Chapter 4 in Nisa, verse 65.
But no, by your Lord, they will not truly believe until they make you, O Muhammad, judge concerning that over which they dispute among themselves, and then find within themselves no discomfort from what you have judged, and submit in full, willing submission.
They believe their own opinion and thinking is superior to the choice of Allah, the Exalted. This causes them to worship Allah, the Exalted, on the edge. Meaning, when something good happens they praise Allah, the Exalted. But when something occurs which contradicts their desires, they turn away from the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, through impatience. Chapter 22 Al-Hajj, verse 11.
And of the people is he who worships Allah on an edge. If he is touched by good, he is reassured by it, but if he is struck by trial, he turns on his face. He has lost this world and the hereafter. That is what is the manifest loss.
One should not cherry-pick according to their desires which traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, to follow. These are the people who perform the actions they desire, and when they are told to act on more important traditions, they simply claim that they are not obligatory. This can be considered an aspect of hypocrisy. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.